Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to save location on Google Maps. So guys, at first go to your Google Maps and then select the place you want to save. So I am selecting this place. And guys, now you can see that there is a save option on the right side direction. So tap on it and then tap on new list and then write a caption in your private list. And after finish, tap on create. Now go back and then tap on saved right down in the middle screen. So guys, as you can see, your saved location is here. So guys, that's how you can save your location on Google Maps very easily. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.